Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to reset SBI net banking username and password. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reset your SBI internet banking login user ID and password, then I'll show you how to reset this. First of all, you just need to open your browser. In this, you need to go to the SBI official website sbi.co.in. In top left side corner you can see here net banking, just tap on that. You can see here personal banking, just tap on the login. After that continue to login. Here you can see username and password. You need to scroll down. Below you can see here forget username or login password. If you don't know your username, you can try the first option. If you already know your login username, then you can go to the second option, login password. Just click on the login password. Here just select forget my login password. You need to select the first option. If you don't know your username, you can select the second option, forget username. I am selecting forget my login password. After selecting, just tap on next. You can see here username, account number, country, mobile number, date of birth. First you need to enter your username. After that you need to enter your account number. Select the country, enter the mobile number, enter the date of birth. After that you need to enter the captcha. And tap on submit. Here you need to enter the OTP which you will receive on your registered mobile number. After entering the OTP, just tap on continue. Here you can reset by 3 ways: using ATM card details, using profile password. You can reset your login password with branch activation. So if you have ATM card details, you can select the first option. I am resetting using profile password, so I'll select this second option and tap on submit. Here you can see I need to enter the profile password. After entering the profile password, tap on submit. You can see it is asking for enter the new login password, so I will enter the new login password. After entering the new password, just tap on submit. You can see your login password has been reset successfully. That's it guys. So in this way you can reset SBI username or login password. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.